Alright guys, Smoking Bears here with you. Today we're doing hashtag cooking with coffee. So for me, the best way to start this collab out with is a cup of cowboy coffee in the old dad mug. Cheers. So today what I'm gonna do is I got a coffee rub I've been wanting to try. So I threw this together. And I'm gonna try it on some chicken wings, and I got some Brussels sprouts I'm gonna grill off. So let's get into this. Here we got our pack of chicken wings. Here is our coffee rub. So I just want to apply kind of liberal. You guys get the idea, right? Well, I don't have to show everything. So let me get the rest of these seasoned up, and we'll be right back. Alright, so there it is. I used that whole little dad mug. So I used this whole thing. It was only one little batch. Applied it to both sides. You can see it looks really good. Anyway, I got the Stoke vortex heating up, and we'll let this sit until we get up to temperature. We're almost there. And then we'll get these bad boys on. Alright, so I got this vortex heated up. You guys know about that. And I'm just going to lay these in. I want to do them wingtips in. Why? Because if they burn up, I don't care, because I'm cutting that piece off. So let's get these loaded up. This stuff looks so good. Alright, there we go. Now we got our ring of coffee rubbed wings around our fire. Still sporting a dad mug. Cheers. Alright guys, it's been, I don't know, I forget how long, but I temped them and they're running about 180, 185. As you can see, these things are looking gorgeous. Man, they look good. Zoom in a little bit. Alright. Camera's moving a little bit. It's kind of windy out. Alright, well, let me get these pulled off and then I'll show you the next thing. Alright guys, so here we go. Here is our bacon Brussels sprout kebabs. Gonna hit them with a little bit of spray olive oil. I already did that to the other side, and then I'm gonna coat it with a bit of this rub, this coffee rub. And you're gonna say, dang, Bear, why didn't you show us that? Because it was a pain in the ass, that's why. Trying not to poke my fingers while I was putting it on there, not tearing the bacon. But here we go. There's a coffee rub on there. Alright. Let's put a little bit in the fire, why not? Woo! See it flame up. Alright, make sure it's all good. And that's that, man. So we'll let these go and then we'll be back in a little bit. Now, just because I have space and I had them, today is meal prep day, so sweet taters. Sprayed with olive oil, coffee rub. I'm gonna put this little rub to the test, guys. It's all over my meal prep this week. So we're gonna just ate. This was a great idea. So I'm gonna set these up here. My meal prep's gonna be loaded with coffee rub. Awesome. So we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, so I'd like to tell you how long it's been. I think it's been about an hour or 45 minutes or something like that. But I tested these sprouts. Before it goes in, they're all nice and soft. So I'm gonna pull these off. The sweet taters, not quite. They're getting there. They're gonna take a little longer. So let me get these sprouts off, and we'll get them in the resting box, aka the microwave, and with the wings. And then when the taters are done, we'll be back. All right, guys. So here it is. Here's our plate. The sweet taters done. The Brussels sprouts with the bacon weave, and then our wings. Bear Cub has joined me for a taste test. Oops. So let's adjust the angle.
I look so far away.
And there we go. All right, so I'm going to tell you, I tried the sprouts with the bacon. I like it. The coffee and the rub didn't it wasn't like a punch in the face of coffee, so it was a nice little subtle hint. Bear Cub wants to do a cheers. So Cowboy Coffee in the old dad mug.
In my mug, our mug.
All right, so I'm gonna try chicken wing here.
I'm trying to brussel sprout.
There's the wing. Bones come clean out, which is awesome. So it's a boneless wing now. I really like that. That instant coffee really helps with the coffee taste. It's not burnt. It gives it a nice dark, like a richer flavor. Really cool. What do you think? Here, try the wing.
I tried the brussel sprout.
The sprouts are really good. The sweet tater. Let's break off a piece of sweet tater with the rub on it. See, they just came off. You can see the steam coming off of it.
They can't.
Nice contrast with the sweet from the tater with the richness of the rub. Really like that. It's really good. You? Don't know. This chicken's good. So there's the sprout with the bacon and the coffee.
Very chewy.
I like that. I like that. And I'll put the recipe in the description for the rub so you guys can check that out. I'm actually going to write this down and put it in my box, a recipe box. We have that for later. What do you think? Yeah, I like it. All right. Well,
you taste more coffee.
good punch of coffee.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's Smoke and Bears.
It's not better than regular coffee, though.
That's Smoke and Bears. And remember, a family that barbecues together stays together. Get out there, fire it up with your kids, try something different. Cheers. Have a great day, everybody.
A great week.
Great week, sorry.